Okay, good evening. Good evening. Yeah, good. All of you are awake, so I can talk. Okay, how many of you from the public governance side? Can you raise your hands, please? Only one. So I can talk anything because you don't know what is public governance. Okay. How many of you know about lean? How many of you really know about lean? Okay. Let me begin with a small anecdote. This is about a person who is reached home and he asks his wife, give me tea. The wife was standing around 20 feet away, 15, 20 feet away. The wife starts moving forward. And again he says, can you give me a cup of tea? The wife again moves a bit forward, but nothing happening. Then he says, are you deaf? The wife again moves forward. Then he again asks for a cup of tea, but nothing happens, the wife moves forwards. And he says, are you deaf? Then the wife comes closer and she says in his ears, I have told you 100 times we don't have milk. When we talk about lean, we talk about a paradigm shift. It's the way we think and we observe. I see some things outside are green, the garden is green, but if I put on glasses which are dark in color, maybe I'll see something brownish. Okay. Sometimes I wonder, why did the government of India make the golden quadrilateral? Delhi, Calcutta, Chennai, Bombay, Delhi express roads, they charge you heavy money. Why? Why did they make that? Why is banking going online? There are some critical questions to be answered. Why do you get railway tickets at the click of a button on of your computer? Why? Any answers? Solution of? Okay. Now let me ask you, my friend. Around 15 years ago, I used to go to a restaurant and wait for I order something and I wait. Now what is it called? Self-service. Do you think it's a solution? They have transferred the problem to you. If you think seriously, all the problems which somebody sitting somewhere was doing has been transferred onto you. Yes or no? Yes. Then how can you say there is a solution? How can you say that? You can get a ticket sitting home, a railway ticket, you can have the various options where you want to travel destination A to B on a particular day. What are the options? But for that you need to have a computer, then you have to have an internet connection, then you need to have a printer, then you need to carry your I-card and you have to board on time. Yes or no? So do you think there is a solution? It itself? What? Then what are you saving? Time. What else? Transportation. What else? Pardon? Human resource. You are the human and you are the resource who is doing everything sitting at home.
But at my convenience.
At your convenience. Which organization side? Why should I do benefit to somebody else? They think that way. They transfer the problem to you. So you are happy taking somebody else's problem. Their problem is time.
Sir, basically it's a win-win situation.
Who wins?
I am saving time and they are saving cost. Exactly.
You are saving time. But against that time you have an investment of 50,000 rupees called a computer.
It can be utilized in actually, sir, it is a byproduct of
But sir, it's not compulsory. I have a choice. I can go to.
You have a choice. Okay, she still wants to continue the old way. No problem. No problem. Yeah, it's all choice. Comfort. घर बैठे मिल रहा है. Why does the government do expressways? But my fuel consumption goes up drastically because I drive at 120. Optimum consumption of fuel is at 60.
but speed limit at expressway is 60. So
Who says? Who says?
means they have written.
You want to go in a bullock cart, that is your problem. But they are meant to go at 120, 100 minimum.
Their choice.
No, it has been designed. So what are we talking about by doing this? The government, okay, of the people, by the people, for the people, does a lot of things, okay, to save something, to create a win-win situation. Originally, the concept started from Toyota, okay, to eliminate the waste, to eliminate the waste. Now, waste is classified as 7 types, basically. Mode of transportation, mode of motion, mode of waiting, rejection, overprocessing, inventory and overproduction. Okay? The same wastes are applicable to the governance side. Okay? I go to a bank 15 years ago, I go to a bank, I take out my checkbook, I check with them how much is my balance, I fill in my check, then I give it on the counter, they give me a token. Okay, then then the check is verified, they look at my face which has changed over a period of time. Anyway, they sign it, and then they wait for the patawala, pass it on to some other counter, and you have to wait till you put ting ting and then he calls you. And he says, here is the money. Okay. Now what happens is, if I go to the bank, there is a single window concept. I go to the bank, I give my check, and then there is some lady out there which is called a relationship manager or the floor manager. She comes and asks me, you need tea or coffee? What does it mean? Get out. Simple. Get out. They don't want to see you. All these ways can be easily identified and observed. When we talk of lean, the definition of lean says to identify, reduce, and if possible, eliminate the waste in each and every aspect of the value chain continually. All the activities which you perform may or may not be value adding. May or may not be value adding. If you see the lean model, if you have a look at it, the first pillar, there are 5 pillars. Flow management is the first pillar. And the government addresses only one thing, which is flow. They address only one thing, and which is very critical. Flow. Flow of information, flow of people, flow of vehicles, any flow needs to be addressed. Only then we can be a developed country. That is the first and the prime requirement for any organization or any governance or any country to be lean and developed. If a ship lands or is docking or is waiting to get a berth at Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust, it will take it around 4 days to come, take a berth, unload, reload and get out. But if the same ship comes to Mundra, it will not even take more than 1.5 days. If the same ship is docking at Singapore airport, it will not take more than 8 hours. Who is more leaner? Singapore. Now, what is the difference between activities that, see, the process is the same. The documentations are more or less same. Okay? Traveling, commuting is more or less same. What is the basic difference which differentiates a developed country for an underdeveloped country? Today I had a guest from Rwanda. Small country called Rwanda in Eastern Africa area. And I was just talking to him, chatting to him. He told me, Nilesh, you come, we can help you register your organization in less than 15 minutes. Less than 15 minutes. Why so? What do you think, what differentiates? I've given you so many examples.
Utilization of resources.
Maximum?
Utilization of resources with planning.
Maximum utilization of resources. What else? Pardon? One at a time.
Leader management. Decision making is on few people. Not, it does not pass it from one to other.
Decision making is at one point. Simplifying the, what does it mean?
Saving time.
What else?
Well prepared.
What is the meaning of being well prepared?
Anticipating the requirements and keeping everything ready, what is required for the
Anticipating the problems and keeping things ready. They know the, and they know the flow of the systems and the problems that might occur. Okay. They value customers. Okay. But I don't get still a hang. What is the meaning? How do I value my customer?
That is the need and the want of the customer.
Need and the want of the customer. My need is very simple. I need to go to an RTO office and get my license renewed. Very simple. RTO knows what to do next. Pardon? Why? He says you hire an agent. Simple things. Okay, one more example. What is complex? The most complex thing is to change your mind. Nothing more complex than that. Get my point, what I am saying? We don't think lean, that is the problem. We don't think lean. Okay, let's take one more case. Suppose there is a patient who goes to, he is having some problem and he goes to VS hospital. And another patient having a similar problem goes to Sterling hospital. A hospital by in its own way is a hospital is a hospital. What do you see? What experiences he goes through? Pardon? Better and quick services in Sterling, but they come free. They don't even ask you what is the problem. Put you on the bed first. They put the drip. They make an invoice and tell you now you may be having this problem. No? See, let's understand 7 mudas, okay? Please repeat after me so that fundamentally you are very clear. The first one is muda of transportation. What? Muda of? Transportation. Fantastic. Second is muda of motion. Muda of? Motion. Third is mudda of waiting. Mudda of waiting. Fourth is mudda of rejection. Mudda of rejection. Mudda of over-processing. Mudda of over-processing. Then mudda of inventory. And mudda of overproduction. Now see all these cases, all the muddas, 7 types of muddas, and you understand what is lean. Mudda of phone ringing in between, no problem. Okay, fine. Mudda of transportation. Transportation is for goods, is for material.